Ever since the COVID-19 restrictions came into effect, we've all been a little bit deprived of our airsoft fix. So today I have a little bit of a treat. I have an unboxing of something that I've anticipated and I knew was coming in, and it finally came in today, finally got delivered. Something that I actually pre-ordered months ago and been waiting for it to arrive. Unfortunately, won't be able to test it or use it since we are restricted to shelter in your place, shelter at home. But without further ado, let's get started. Handy dandy knife here. See? Okay. Alright. Alright. There. And packaging. Thank you, evike.com. And right there. So, take a look. That's what we have. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, so got right here. Plastic. So what we have here is the Archon Type B. Magazine, box, and as you can see, right there. I don't know if everyone can see that. That is the Archon Firearms EMG little authenticity card. Okay, so what else did we get? This is something, actually just pulling it out feels real nice, feels really good in the hand, and an extra magazine. If everyone can see that, I know it's a little dark, apologies. Look at how low that slide is compared onto that frame. Look at that. Okay. Trademarks. Standard. Nice finish there. And you can see that. Lock it back. Excellent. It's very light feeling, but yet sturdy. I think it'd be pretty good. Nice stainless steel little spring guide there. There you go. Initial pull back was a little mushy, but it seems like it's going a little bit. A little stuff there. Magazine. Right. Excellent. And being new, a little sticky. I don't know if it'll drop, but it drops. Excellent feeling pistol. Got the nice grip. Get up onto there. Little rail here. Some good sights. Feels really good. Not too. The grip isn't too thick. Isn't too big. You can get a good grip on there. It's a very low, skinny looking gun. Not skinny that way, but just very low sort of package here. But there you go, the Archon Firearms Type B. This is going to be probably in my, hopefully, my new Russian build once I get up there.